Today's mindset input is to collaborate is better than to compete. Let me illustrate this with a true story. Mr. Sagar Daryani and Mr. Binod Homgai were close friends pursuing their final year in BCom honors in the year 2008. They studied together for exams throughout the night, and to sustain themselves, they used to cook snacks like Maggi and pasta, and Mr. Binod used to make momos. That's when one day, Mr. Sagar Daryani had a visionary thought that if brands like KFC and Domino's can come from abroad to India, let's make Momo a brand and take it abroad. Mr. Sagar Daryani was pathetic with maths and numbers, and realizing that he would never make it in CAT exams, thought about starting a small stall to sell momos. Sagar was good with people and Binod was good with momos. They decided to complement each other, and even as they were awaiting their final SEM results, with an investment of just rupees 30,000, they decided to open their first outlet, which was just a 6 by 6 square feet kiosk in Spencer's Mall in Kolkata. Their start was so humble that they could not even afford to print a leaflet to market their kiosk, and instead they cut their momos into 3 parts and approached every customer entering Spencer's Mall to taste a sample and encourage them to visit their kiosk if they like the taste of their momos. To their surprise, they started doing amazing sales from the first month and opened another kiosk in South City Spencer's Mall. Mr. Sagar Daryani believed in saving from day one. They saved enough from 2 stalls to open the third one within 6 months. In the same way, they saved enough from 3 to establish 5 other, and doing so without a single penny in investment from either equity or debt funding. Wow Momo brand had established 43 outlets across 5 cities in the year 2015 with a yearly revenue of 20 crore. In the same year, 2015, Wow Momo raised its first round of funding of rupees 10 crore at 100 crore valuation from the Indian Angel Network. This funding gave Wow Momo the muscles to establish its outlets in highly competitive and retail rental costly markets such as Delhi NCR and Mumbai. Just within the next 2 years, in the year 2017, Wow Momo had grown to 108 outlets and could raise rupees 44 crore in the second round of funding at a valuation of rupees 250 crores. As of today, Wow Momo has 318 stalls across 16 cities in India, employing more than 3,500 people directly. The Wow Momo outlets range from a small 20 square feet kiosk to a 1,000 square feet stall. On an average, even a small 7 by 7 square feet kiosk makes a revenue of rupees 12 lakhs every month. After an investment of $23 million by Tiger Global Investment Firm, today Wow Momo's valuation stands at rupees 860 crores. Their success in sales was largely credited to their adaptability to different markets, offering varieties in Momo through innovation such as Momo Rolls, Momo Burger, Momo Pizzeria, Chocolate Momos, and even a Momo Biryani. The day is not far when Wow Momo will definitely go abroad to become a global food chain. One very important lesson we can learn from Wow Momo's story is collaboration is more beneficial than competition. As the scriptures rightly say, 2 are better than 1, for they have a good return for their labor. Nature-wise, totally opposite, an aggressive, optimistic and restless Sagar Daryani decided to complement his giftings and skills with relatively grounded, realistic and calm Binod. Complementing each other's skills and build has been the secret sauce for many of the successful entrepreneurs. Apple Corporation was established when Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak decided to complement each other. Microsoft could not have been built if Bill Gates did not complement his skills with Paul Allen. Sachin and Binny Bansal had come together to start Flipkart. Bhavish Agarwal and Ankit Bhatti came together to start Ola Cabs. And there are many more examples out there. Dear friends, before you think about competing with selfish and self-centered motives with your neighbor, colleague or a friend next time, think about collaborating to success with them. Collaboration is better than competition. Thank you.